Good morning. Today we are going to talk about quadratic spline interpolations. Before that, kindly refer to my Instagram post for the formulas and questions. I have put the links in the description box. Now let's recap what is the formulas of quadratic spline interpolation. First function, the Ci will be equals to 0. That means C1 will be equals to 0. So this is the general formula. Now let's proceed to the questions. First of all, we know that C1 equals to 0. And then A1 equals to F1 equals to 39.21. While for H1, we use X2 minus X1, whereby it is 1962 minus 1960. So we get 2. Since C1 equals to 0, so we directly substitute the value. Do the same thing for H2. B1 plus 2 multiplied by 0, so you get 0.84 directly. So the function of S1x equals to 39.21 plus 0.84 x minus 1962 plus 0. Since C1 equals to 0, so when you multiply, the whole thing will get 0. So the same thing for A2, that means for function 2. You may notice that the H value, either H1, H2, or right now the case is H3, the value is the same, we get 2. Okay, do the same thing. F4 substitute to get the value of C3. The year in 1965 and the year of 1969. So as we know that 1965, it lies in S3x functions, that means the third equation, while for the 1969 it lies in the last function S5x. So now we substitute the value. The x turns into 1965 for S3x function. Okay, now I directly substitute, we will get approximate 3.64 million in 1965 for it. While for 1969, we substitute, we do the same procedure. Approximate 69.13 million.